Hello guys, this is Utkarsh. Today I'm going to be explaining you about the exercise number 1 in Unix lab. The first one is create a the first problem in this is you have to create a directory with a username. So I've logged into this code.karanya and actually I have solved all these exercises. I'm just going to show this demo on this video. So create a directory means we can create a directory mkdir, then space, then directory name. Suppose I'll make a directory, some blank directory like ps, mkdir ps, and enter. So you can see the directory is being created. Here you can see the directory with the name ps is created, and it will be a blank directory, and that is, it will not contain anything. So we can check that also. Space cd directory name, that is ps. Now you can see you can check on executing ls command, there is nothing inside this directory, so it's blank. Now we will move to the previous directory and see the next command. See, the next one is navigate to the create directory. So I already shown you how to navigate using the cd ps. Now the third one is create a file employee details.txt with the following input. So here I have already created a file employee details.txt. This is the file. See, already all the data that I have entered is there. Now, next, the fourth one is display the number of employees working under the software testing domain in the file employee details.txt. So for that, the command is grep. So it's executed grep and grep space the file name. Sorry, the keyword, that is software testing, and the file name, that is employee.txt. Yeah, correct. It's not giving the output. Let me check software testing employee.txt. Maybe this is wrong. Now you can see the SO has to be capital. So now you can see Sam and Vinay are two employees that are working under software testing. And now the fifth one, display the file in a sorted order with respect to the year of joining. So for that, the command is sort space -k space the column number, that is fourth column, the year of joining is the fourth column, and the file name, so employee.txt. Now when you check, see, it is displaying all the details of the employees with the ascending order, means the sorted order of the joining of years, from the year they joined. So the sixth one we're going to see. The sixth one is create a new file employee details backup.txt with same content as employee details.txt. So we have to create a new file and copy the contents of this file to that file. So for that, the command is cp. Cp means copy. Cp employee, the initial file name employee.txt space the new file name, that is employee backup.txt. So the file is being created, I think. Yeah, we can see this employee backup.txt, the file is created. Now let's check the contents of this file. So the contents are same. Now the next one is rename the file employee details backup.txt to secure.txt. So for that one, the command is mb, the old name, backup .txt, and the new name. So the new name will be secure.txt. Now you can check with the ls command. We check this. There is a file secure.txt created with the same name as with the same content as employee backup.txt. We can check the contents of this file with vi editor. So vi secure.txt. So we can see the same contents are there what the previous file had. Now the next one is display the inode number and access permissions of the file employee details.txt. So to display the inode number, the command is ls-li space the file name, that is employee.txt. So you can see here the inode number is 3019902 and the read write permission is there, and the username and the date, that is it's been created, accessed last. So this is a 9th query, and then the 10th one is 10th question, display the current time and display the July month of the year. To display the current time, the command date is there, so it will display time as well as date of currently. And then to display the calendar of July 2017, we have to write cal 7 because July is the 7th month, and 2017. So you can see it displays the calendar of July 2017. Now the 11th is display the usernames whoever is logged into the system now and save it into the file logs.txt. So for that one, the command is who, and we have to save it in a file, so we'll write who log.txt. So you can check there is a file log.txt. So these are the contents. Right now these many people are logged in, these many usernames are logged in. Now the next one is how many words are present in the file employee details.txt. To check the number of words present in the file, the command is wc space -w file name. So it displays this 20. There are total 20 number of words in the file employee.txt. Now the 13th query is find the terminal number you are using. So to check the terminal number and the other details, there is command who am I. So you type who am I. See, it's saying the terminal number is 204 and the current date and time. Now the 14th one we have to check. 14th one is create an empty file and input the contents into the file. Display first and third line of the file. So I think I have already created a file for that. This fi fi.txt. So this is the file that I have created. Now so this query was this one. Yes, 14th query. So now we have to type the command head. It will check the number of take the first line and third line. So head -3 for third line and the file name. So fle.txt. So it displays the first and the third line. Why head? Because head shows that it's the first line and -3 means the third line. So these two lines are printed here. as you can see. So the 15th one is display the content under your home directory including the hidden files. So display the contents, we'll write ls -a. So it's displaying all the files including the hidden files. You can see this hash employee details.txt and emp and count.sh. All the files are being displayed here. And then the 16th one is create a alias name unhidden for the command to display files including hidden. So for that there is the same command, so that will work. Now the next one is what is the process ID of the shell you are using. So to check the process ID, the command is ps. So it will display the process ID 919671 that we are using. Now the next one and the second last is create a directory named HR, then move all the files from your home directory to the HR directory. So for that the command is, first we have to create a directory. It already contains a HR directory because I have executed all these queries before. So I'll create a directory with some other name, that is D. So you can see a directory with the name D is being created. Now I'll move the contents of this directory to the D directory. So for that the command is mv vs. Says one, like where the currently files are, like the source destination first, then the destination it says one HR. D is not a directory. Okay, so no need to write all this. If you write just D, then also it's fine. So you can see all the files are being transferred to that D directory. Now to reverse that process, we'll do it now. So these are the queries that we had to execute. So for this one, I'll change the mode of the owner alone with the execute permission for secure.txt. So the command is chmod 704 and the file name, that is secure.txt. Okay, we have moved the files, so we have to go to the directory cd/d. Now here is the file secure.txt. So we have to change the mode, so chmod d 754, yes, I'm not doing anything, to secure.txt. So the mode is changed. So that was the first exercise. Thank you.